Hi all. Okay, so this job we had to dig in, dig an area for a patio, for a large patio that was going on to the side of quite a decent sized home gym. As you can see here, there's probably 1.5 to 2 meters in depth that we've dug out. So the customer wanted it stepped out like this for some gabian baskets to go in to support the soil, to stop it from sort of collapsing in. So at the moment we're just roughly going through, removing the soil where needed, and getting it somewhere near where we've got to be. At the end of the video you will see some still images, some photos of how it was when we had finished. We couldn't complete the job due to the weather. As you can see in the pictures here in the bottom left hand corner, you can see there's puddling water. This was clay and it was just absolutely horrendous. So we've basically got this dug out as best we can at the moment, and hopefully we'll come back in a few weeks time when the weather's sorted itself out and we can just sort of fine tune everything. We put 2 steps in to here, as you'll see throughout the video. We do have a time lapse of this video as well that just speeds it up, compresses it down from sort of hour and 10 minutes to about 10 minutes. So yeah, check that out if you prefer that. And yeah, this one is basically going down through and just trimming up, and cutting in steps into there, and yeah, just trying to get it somewhere near it. We had an awful lot of soil to move, and once we dug this out we had to pile it, we had to transfer it and walk it straight down the garden because it was so wet. We probably had to transfer it 100 foot if not more, so it's all very sort of time consuming, unfortunately. But yeah, I'll let the rest of the video continue. If you've got any questions, just put it in the comments. Yeah, and we'll try and answer them. Thanks for watching.